You're ready?
Cut.
I'm good. Go ahead.
April 10th, 2016, our first bee install. Here we go. We've got our hive, we've got our feeder, we've got our spray bottle, and we've got our bees. So we're new at this, but we're going to give it our best shot, and hopefully our bees will be in their happy home in just a little while.
We'll be zooming out soon.
All right.
There's one under my shirt.
So we're going to start by spraying them down, which apparently is supposed to make them nice and calm, get them a little sugar high.
Do you mist them or squirt them?
Well, I've watched people do both. Misting I think is better, but my bottle is a direct spray bottle, so that's the best I can do.
Can't turn the nozzle on it.
I've played with it for a long time, and this is what we got.
That's nice. Just tick them off.
It's not even spraying very well, because you can see how much I've been playing with it. All right, but I've sprayed it earlier. Okay. My assistant, Chris Wallace, and I'm Laura Mako. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take the lid, we're going to wedge the lid off our box of bees, and there are approximately 10,000 bees in here right now, which we hope will grow to 40,000 bees over the season. We're going to lift this can out a little bit, and I'm going to pull the queen out,
I'm backing up.
who is in a little box.
Oh.
A little box.
Hey, will you go turn that off? Turn it off.
Yeah, but if I give you a can. Okay. Lift this up. Put that right back on for me. Pull her out.
Coming out a little bit.
Covered, which is really nice.
Wow. Chris, you're right in my shot.
Cork in here,
Thanks, buddy.
which I'm going to pull this little piece of cork out. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so much less freaked out than I thought I was going to be.
You've had it perfect close.
And then in there's a little piece of sugar candy. And if you can see that, I don't know if you want to zoom in. You can see our queen and her attendants in there. And hopefully in the next few days, the worker bees will eat out the sugar candy that's in there, and they will release her. And we'll check in about 5 days to see that they've done that. Okay. And you can see she's the bigger bee in there.
I can't see her.
She's at the bottom. She's right there. That's her. You see how she's bigger than the rest?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's a little shaky.
Who, me?
Hmm. All right, move along. Let's get this done.
Yeah, this is her right here. Okay. So I am gonna like scrape a little bit off. Gently. There's a lot. More than I expected there to be. Looks like there's more than 10.
Katie, just off.
Now I have a little piece of duct tape here. I'm gonna just put her between these screens. What's their name? Not called screens. What are these? Frames.
I have one in my hood.
I've seen it both. I guess I can get closer if we do it that way. Except it hangs better. Yeah. And just hang it between two frames like that. But I'm afraid that that's not going to hold. that should hold for a few days. Okay, now the moment of truth. So what we're going to do here is we're going to bang the box to run the bees down to the bottom again. Let me brush a few off here. And then we're going to start pouring them the moment we've all been waiting for. All right, so we're going to go like this. And now we're going to pour a few of them over her. It's not a few. That's a lot.
Oh my goodness.
And there are those 10,000 bees we was talking about. Suddenly there's a lot more than it looked like, right?
I just have one land on my hand. Fly away.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this down here because the rest of these guys can go in on their own. And they're all settling in nicely.
No, just
Is there anything I'm forgetting? Nope. And now we're
got
just
one on
going to
your
put
on your elbow.
our screens in very gently. We don't want to crush any of the bees.
You're wearing yellow, Fran.
I know, he's very attractive.
I keep covering up my pink
He
shirt.
has one on his shirt, on his shoulder.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Yeah.
Oh, so just the bee.
I don't care.
He's on me.
He's on your shoulder. Yeah, on your shoulder.
Seems like everybody out here has one or two on them, but
As
they're
long as they
really
don't-
mellow.
As long as they don't get up in my netting and sting me.
And like I said, they don't really care about us right now. All they want is their queen and a home.
They want their mama.
I was just gonna say that.
Chris, how do I
Turn the lens.
Do you have the Hive reducer? So we need to
Yes,
put that
it is.
in
Just switch it, like,
right there.
you want me to do
I
it?
didn't bring it up.
Okay, so we'll do that. And then I'm just gonna split it and
Well done, dude.
here, give me that. Yeah.
All right, so who'd you have in 6th grade? Who'd you have in 6th grade? Did you have Halls?
I had holes.
I'll tell them that you were here today
And the Barbara.
and that you had a bee on your face.
And we're gonna lid it. Oh, come on, you can have pictures. I'm not in any.
You'll have
Yeah.
more picture opportunities on the
Want a
next
quick
side.
pic? Anyone else want a quick pic in the top? See, they're already, look how many of already have settled in.
Definitely some shaky moments of the video when a couple of bees land on me and I swish them away. All right, so that's the installation of a 3-pound or 10,000 bee box, right?
That is a 3-pound, 10,000 bee box.
Is there a hole in that lid?
And now we don't go back to them for another
On the side.
5 days.
Oh, it's on the side. Okay, underneath.
And we let them settle in and hopefully our queen gets released. Okay, little guy, there you go.
All right,
All right,
nice job.
and